The Big Maple Leaf, BML, is a $1 million CAD gold coin weighing 100 kilograms, 220 pounds, 3,215 troy ounces. A set of 1 of these coins was produced by the Royal Canadian Mint, RCM, in 2007 at their Ottawa facility, where the first BML produced remains in storage. As of March 2017, the market value of one large maple leaf was approximately $4 million USD. On March 27, 2017, one of the coins was stolen from the Berlin Museum. Large maple leaf measures over 2.8 centimeters, 1.1 in, thick and 50 centimeters, 20 in diameter, and is 999.99/1000 pure. The front of the BML shows Queen Elizabeth II, as she has appeared on Canadian coins since 2003, when a Susanna Blunt design became the third iteration of a Queen bust to appear on coins, the others being 1965 and 1990. Blunt's design was intended to show the Queen in full dignity, without a tiara or crown. Only one other RCM design had the King not wearing a crown. 5. The reverse design is a stylized maple leaf by RCM artist and senior engraver Stan Whitten.